athlete and PE teacher on the ground. Any medical help is required, then it is available on the ground. Please. Is on the way. 800 meters run under 16. 390 is finishing. And cheer them up. First race of the day. 800 meters run, boys.
A nice school band and officials, all colorful. It is really depicting the scene of athletic meet. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers, Mr. Rohan Desai, my friend, Mr. Oscar Martins, and his entire team, who have been working so hard to give you all a chance to come on the ground and display your talent here in athletics. So also, I would like to appreciate the presence of my long-standing friend, Mr. Sripad Kundekar. He was a veteran association member. He has worked in the association for nearly more than 30 years. Even though I was there in the association for only 20 years, he was there for more than 30 years. Then we have amongst us Guru Das, who is right now the treasurer. Besides that, physical education teachers are there. Because of your teachers, you all got a chance to come here on the ground. So I am really appreciating the hard work done by physical education teachers. We have here our press person, Ramesh. He is there. If any activity is held here, he is always there. So I would like to appreciate his presence also. Before I declare open this meet, a small piece of advice, children. Athletics म्हळ्यार कितें खबर आहा तुमकां? Athletics म्हळ्यार running, jumping and throwing. आमकां रिपीट करता. Athletic meet म्हळ्यार कितें? Athletic meet म्हळ्यार running, jumping and throwing. आतां तुमकां तुमगे टिचरान सांगिल्लें आसतलें. Running कितू इव्हेंट आहाय, jumping कितू इव्हेंट आहाय and throwing कितू इव्हेंट आहाय.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.